Today in my preparation, I researched the word that I've studied for many years, and I have a new understanding. The word Jerusalem is working with me right now, and the word, as we look it up in the Hebrew, the word Jeru, that first part of the word Jerusalem, actually means foundation or for something to be constituted. The last aspect of that word, Salem, of course, means peace, harmony. I will even include the word hope and prosperity. So, in other words, it's the foundation of all good things. So, as Jesus is riding into that holy city, which is what we're celebrating this Sunday with Palm Sunday, we want to imagine for ourselves riding into our foundation of peace, of harmony, of prosperity, of all good things. We know we do this through the level of the heart, through our spiritual mastery, by mastering, as Jesus showed us through riding on a donkey, by mastering those primal forces. And we identify with this Christ nature within so we can fully know this I am of who we are. This I am is the God presence that pervades the whole universe that we often call the Christ. This I am nature, this Christ presence is who you are. I want to encourage you today to be lifted up, to live from your highest spiritual self, and imagine that you yourself are riding into the holy city, embracing all the good that God has for you. Thanks for joining me today, dear friends, and many blessings on the journey.